Hello and welcome to our channel again. Today we are going to show you the alternator replacement on smart Fortwo with 451 chassis with M132.910 engine. So approximately this is 1 liter engine, and it's installed on this vehicle. It's exactly the same engine as on this one. So the chassis series is 451380. So today we are going to replace alternator on M132.910 engine. So the engine is already removed from the vehicle, so that is going to be very easy. So I have already removed the alternator output. As you can see here, this is the alternator output, or three-phase DC voltage output. This is already removed. So this is the stator excitement wire connector. So I'm going to disconnect that one as well. And this one is the feedback, the three phases alternator output feedback to the ECU. So I'm going to disconnect this one as well. This is going to be a little bit hard. Okay, I'm going to disconnect this wiring harness. So I have disconnected this connector as well. So now the excitement wire connector is disconnected. The alternator output, the alternator output terminal or wiring connector is also disconnected. The alternator feedback to the ECU connector is also disconnected. So okay, before removing the alternator we need to remove the drive belt. So to remove the drive belt, we need to release the tension on the belt. So to release the tension on the belt, we need to slacken this screw. Then you will need 24 millimeter spanner if the engine is out of the vehicle. Otherwise you will need crowfoot like so, and that must be 24 millimeter. So now we are going to release tension on the drive belt. So we are going to fit that like so, then just remove that anti-clockwise and you will be able to see that the alternator is moving downward and the tension is releasing on the belt. Okay, now as you can see, the tension is completely released on the belt. So we are going to remove. This is the belt I have removed. In case if you wanted to reinstall the belt and retension that, so you just need to turn this tensioner clockwise like so until these two humps, one is on the tensioner this side, that matches to the hump here. So now the belt is fully tensioned. So we are going to release tension on the belt again. So as you can see here, the belt is touching the tensioner spring assembly. So now we are going to remove the belt. Make sure if you want to use the old belt again to mark the direction of rotation of the belt. So we are not going to reuse this belt, so I'm not going to mark the direction of the rotation of the belt. So I'm going to remove the alternator, so I'm going to remove this one fully. So tightening torque specification of this screw is 49 Newton meter. Okay, I have removed this belt, and as you can see, the alternator is just secured by this bearing. So this is going to be a good idea to check the play on the alternator bearing. To check, you need to rock this way, front, forward and backward, and I think this is all right. So to remove the bearing of the alternator, this is 15 millimeter head screw, and the back it's a nut type, so that is 13 millimeters. So I'm going to hold that at the back with 13 millimeter spanner and release this. I'm slacking this, so this is the screw, this is the bearing actually, and this is so let me show you. This side goes from the front of the alternator, and this one from the back of the alternator. When you tighten, there are bushes I'm going to show you that hold. So tighten the alternator. So let me remove the alternator. So I have removed the alternator, as you can see, and let me remove this. There are two bushes here, so I'm going to remove that and show you that how to remove the bushes. So now I'm going to remove this bush as well. So and this comes like so. Just let me show you. And this one comes like so. Okay, this is the removal of the starter generator on Smart Fortwo with 451 380 chassis with M132.910 engine. Okay, one thing to be remembered is that the bush with the rimmed edge, so this one with the rim edge, that goes here at the back, and the bush with the straight lip or edge, internal edge, this one, that goes here. That goes here. So that goes to the bolt side with the straight, with the flashed or flashed edge or non-remet edge that goes towards the bolt like so, and this one with the remet internal edge, as you can see, and that goes to the back of this bracket and towards the nut like so. Like so, that goes like so here. So thanks for watching.